Sending money to Rwanda just got easier, faster, and more mobile with Worldremit. First, head to the Worldremit website on your computer or download the Worldremit app on your phone. Next, create an account if you don't already have one, or log in if you do. The interface is user-friendly and quick to navigate. Once you're logged in, select Send Money and choose Rwanda as your destination country. This triggers the available options for sending. Then, the magic happens. Select mobile money as the delivery method. This is the key to sending instantly to your recipient's phone. Now, you'll need some crucial information: your recipient's mobile money account details. This includes their full name as registered with their mobile money provider, and most importantly, their mobile phone number. Double-check the phone number to avoid any delays. Enter the amount of money you want to send. The Worldremit platform will automatically display the exchange rate and show you how much Rwandan francs your recipient will receive. Choose your preferred payment method. Worldremit accepts various payment options, including credit and debit cards, or even bank transfers, providing you the convenience of selecting what works best. Before you finalize your transaction, review all the details to ensure everything is correct. Make sure the recipient's details and the amount are all accurate. And just like that, you've sent money. After your payment is processed, your recipient will receive an instant notification on their phone. They can then use the money directly through their mobile money account. It's that simple. Worldremit allows you to send money to Rwanda easily and quickly, enabling you to connect with your loved ones. Consider subscribing for more finance tips.